The best place to experience the dynamic performance of the Genesis Coupe is from the driver's seat. The driver-oriented cockpit provides the utmost in comfort, convenience, and safety features. Remote keyless entry with security alarm is standard. The proximity key, a personal convenience, allows drivers to operate the Genesis Coupe without removing the key from their pocket, purse, or briefcase. It's standard on the 2.0T Premium and 3.8 Grand Touring and Track. With the key in range, pressing the exterior door handle button once unlocks the driver's door, and twice unlocks all doors. Pressing this button as the driver exits locks all doors. The beauty of this feature continues with the ability to start the car without using the key. Simply push the engine start-stop button while pressing the brake pedal. In cases where the proximity key loses its battery charge, the key can be placed in the center console's holder under the armrest to start the vehicle. Remember, it does not recharge the key fob. Your nearby Hyundai dealer can replace the battery or diagnose the issue. To remove the key, simply push it into the holder and release it. As you enter on the driver's side, you'll notice the convenience features of power-adjustable side-view mirrors that are standard on all models. The 3.8 Grand Touring and Track models have heating elements linked to the rear defrosters button. These help improve visibility and are a big convenience in cold weather. Also on the door are the power remote releases for the trunk and fuel filler located below the armrest, while the hood release is located in the footwell to the left of the footrest pedal. Aluminum pedals, standard on the 3.8 Track model, further enhance the sporty interior of the cockpit. A power driver's seat with power lumbar support is standard on 2.0T Premium and 3.8 Grand Touring and Track models. Drivers can adjust the seat's proximity to the wheel, seat height, and tilt the front and rear of the seat cushion. To tilt the seat back, a manual lever is provided. Again, access to the rear seat is easy, thanks to the convenient assist device built into the driver's seat. Pull the lever for access to the rear seat for passengers or gear. The standard manual tilt and telescopic steering column lets the driver place the steering wheel where it's most comfortable and the gauges most visible. The sporty design of the instrument cluster is highly functional with gauges and displays that are easy to read and interpret. The electroluminescent display provides premium ambience and superior readability. A trip computer, standard on all models, displays important driver details such as miles to empty, elapsed time, distance traveled, average miles per gallon, and average speed. The standard tire pressure monitoring system displays an alert if it detects a low tire. Drivers will also enjoy the look and feel of the leather-wrapped steering wheel and shift knob that is standard on all models. 6-speed manual models include both a leather-wrapped shifter and a leather boot. This adds to the sporty luxury of the Genesis Coupe's cabin. Conveniently mounted on the steering wheel on all models are standard audio controls for mode for selecting AM/FM, FM2, XM or CD, volume, select switch for recalling set radio stations or choosing CD tracks. For convenient access to the driver, the cruise control on-off switch is mounted under the steering wheel with the rest of the cruise system controls. Cruise control is not available on the R-Spec models. The steering wheel also includes phone controls for Bluetooth-paired phones. To pair a phone with the system, there are some simple steps that must be performed between the two systems. Be sure your phone's Bluetooth functionality is discoverable, and you're set to begin. Be aware that different mobile devices have differing levels of system compatibility. Go to www.hyundai.com and select the Bluetooth Compatibility Guide. This software will list your phone's capabilities and help you pair your phone. To pair a phone in a vehicle equipped with a standard audio system, powered on, access the vehicle setup menu by pressing the Setup button. Then use the Tune knob on the right to scroll through the menu items. The Setup menu includes settings for the clock, speed-dependent volume control, XM and MP3 music collections displays, and phone pairing via the Bluetooth system. When you highlight Phone, press the Tune knob to select it. Then highlight Pair and select it. The system will provide you with a 4-digit passkey to input in your phone. Pairing a phone in a vehicle equipped with a navigation system differs slightly due to the functionality with the touchscreen, but it's also very easy. To pair a mobile device, first press the Phone button below the touchscreen, then press the on-screen Settings button, then the Pairings button, and the Add To button. The system will supply the passkey code that is needed for input into the mobile device. Once the device is paired with a vehicle, if the device is compatible, it will download the mobile device's phone book. To make a call after a phone has been paired, press the steering wheel voice recognition button and say, Call. If the phone number is already contained in your phone book, then say the name of the person, or say Number, and then speak the digits of the phone number. To receive a phone call, press the steering wheel Phone button. To end a call, press the End Call button. Refer to the Genesis Coupe Bluetooth Quick Reference Guide on Hyundai Sales Training Online for more information on using the Bluetooth system. Headlight controls are located on the left-hand stalk and used to switch on the regular driving lights and fog lamps. When the high beams are turned on, the system will automatically turn off the fog lamps. The setting marked Auto is for Genesis Coupes equipped with automatic headlights. These headlights automatically turn on and off depending on lighting conditions. They are not included on R-Spec models. Further enhancing visibility, Genesis Coupe comes standard with 2-speed variable intermittent windshield wipers. Our sport-minded customers will appreciate the center stack multi-gauge cluster that's standard on all trims. It displays instantaneous fuel economy, torque level on the 3.8 models or turbocharger boost pressure on the 2.0T models, and oil temperature. An auto-dimming rear-view mirror with an integrated compass is standard on 2.0T Premium and 3.8 Grand Touring and Track models. A manual day-night rear-view mirror is standard on 2.0T Base and R-Spec models. A HomeLink transceiver is another convenience feature in this mirror. HomeLink eliminates the need to carry handheld transmitters. It can be programmed to activate garage door openers, gates, home lighting, and security systems, or other HomeLink-compatible radio frequency devices. The Hyundai BlueLink mobile telematics system is available on the 2.0T Premium, 3.8 Grand Touring, and 3.8 Track models. BlueLink allows Hyundai vehicles to send and receive important or useful information. With BlueLink, you can find local points of interest, including gas stations with the best prices. Local authorities can track and control your vehicle if it's stolen. You can receive vehicle diagnostic reports and even operate various vehicle features remotely. From the smartphone app, owners will enjoy the convenience of locking and unlocking their doors, activating the horn and lights, and remote starting the vehicle. BlueLink services are grouped into 3 packages: BlueLink Assurance, BlueLink Essentials, and BlueLink Guidance. You can get more detail on BlueLink by going to www.hyundaibluelink.com. The navigation system on the Hyundai Genesis Coupe is easy to operate between using voice commands or using the 7-inch touchscreen's display. The system conveniently integrates all audio features into the in-dash unit: AM/FM, XM satellite radio, and auxiliary media. To operate this system using voice commands, press this button on the steering wheel and say a command. The sophisticated system includes visual and audio prompts so the driver can get directions without looking away from the road. Destinations can be set using address search, up to 20 previous destinations, intersection search, points of interest, stored addresses, or the emergency category. The XM satellite radio interface is integrated into the navigation unit. It features real-time XM nav traffic and XM data services such as XM satellite weather, XM stocks, and XM sports. Owners receive a free 3-month trial of these services. For more information on navigation system operation, refer to the technology link on the Hyundai Star Products website, SPI1986.com. This completes your look at the driver's seat area of the Genesis Coupe.